In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Blox Fruits server on Discord. If you play Blox Fruits and want news, updates, or a place to chat and trade with other players, joining their Discord community is a great move. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can get in quickly and safely. First, go to Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web version at discord.com. Whatever you normally use, make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for gaming. Having notifications set the way you like beforehand can also help, since big servers can be pretty active. Next, look for the option to join a server. On desktop, you'll see a plus icon on the left sidebar. Click that, then choose Join a Server. On mobile, tap the plus or add a server and choose the join option. This opens a small box where you can enter an invite. In the invite field, type Blox Fruit. Enter it carefully just like that and double check the spelling before you proceed. This tells Discord which community you want to join. If you see a preview, look for familiar branding and a large member count. Those are good signs you're in the right place. Avoid any third-party links from random sources. Use this method so you connect to the proper community. When you're ready, click Join Server. Discord will attempt to connect you to the Blox Fruits server and may show a quick confirmation or preview. If it's your first time joining a large community, it might take a moment to load all the channels. Finally, click Accept Invite. This confirms that you want to be part of the server. After you accept, you'll typically land in a welcome or rules channel. Take a quick moment to read the rules so you know what's allowed. Some gaming servers enable extra safety checks, so you might see prompts such as acknowledging rules or completing a simple verification. Just follow the on-screen instructions if they appear. Once you're in, you'll see the server in your list on the left. You can right-click or tap the server name to adjust notification settings, mute channels you don't need, or set it as a favorite so it's easy to find. If the chat is moving fast, try browsing the announcements or FAQ channels first to get oriented before jumping into conversation. And that's it. You've joined the Blox Fruits server on Discord and you're ready to explore. Enjoy the community, stay respectful, and have fun.